In today's video, I'm sharing a wedding decoration detail that often gets overlooked during the hustle and bustle of the big day. Be sure to watch all the way to the end to see how we decorated the bridal suite. You've heard the saying, something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Well, our first project is something old made to hold something new. This beautiful frame is being made into a vanity tray. Here's how it looked after 2 coats of spray paint. I was going for an old world vintage feel. I added these really pretty crystal and gold knobs as feet to raise it up just a bit. I finished it with a sheet of glitter paper under the glass and some clear acrylic drawer pulls as handles. Everything was secured together with E6000, a permanent adhesive. Now we're going to give this love sign a little extra TLC. Whenever I see pieces like this at Goodwill, Dollar Tree, or Hobby Lobby, I grab them because they can be customized to fit so many special occasions. In this case, I wanted to change the color to gold. At this venue, the bridal suite was very spacious, with plenty of room for the bride and her bridesmaids to get ready. We loved this room because it had several electrical outlets and so many mirrors. We set up a table for drinks and light refreshments while they're getting their hair and makeup done. We also set up a little seating area to relax and get those pre-wedding jitters under control. All of the other vanity items that you see here on the bride's table I purchased from Amazon. They were a gift to the bride from her wedding planner.
She can come in now.
Come on in. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. This is beautiful. Thank y'all so much. Yes.
You're welcome.
I'm nervous.
Our pleasure.
Yes. Hey. Hold on. We have a.
Come see everything.
Yeah, come see everything. Thank you. She don't see it. No. She don't see the fish. Oh. This is beautiful.
This is your space here.
Oh, this. Oh. This is nice. Okay, I'm gonna look like a princess. Okay. Okay.
Tell her about the music box.
Okay, so
and the
this is
gifts.
my gift to you. Okay. This is one of the things I wanted you to have. Okay. Stephanie did a good job recreating what I wanted for you. Okay. I wanted you to be a princess today. Yes, I feel like one. Thank y'all so much. Yes. I'm gonna cry. Yes.
You can cry now because your makeup is on.
I want you to feel so special. Every part of this day I wanted to do. Oh, geez. So sit down. Look at the mirror. Sit down.
Yes, be pampered now.
Sit down. Sit down. Look in the mirror. See? You're gonna be all beautiful. You're gonna be so beautiful. Woo.
It fills my heart with joy to add these little touches on their special day where these memories will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, press the thumbs up and come back to see me next week for another video in this wedding series playlist. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.